Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was having a major snack attack and I'm flying out of town tomorrow and I need some good safe treats to take with me on my flight. So I decided that I was gonna run over to the store and see what I could find. So I found a brownie mix that I'm gonna try and review for you. So I'm gonna go whip these up in the kitchen and come back and let you know what I think about them. Be right back. So they're out of the oven and this is what they look like. I'm gonna let them cool and then I'm gonna slice into them and let you know how they are. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. The brownies are out of the oven. I let them cool for about 15 minutes. What I'm reviewing is these right here. They looked like they would be pretty good. I was having a chocolate attack. I thought I would give them a try. I've never tried them before. So I'm gonna give it a go and let you know how they taste. So now that they're out of the oven, I sliced a couple up and put them on here. I don't know if you can see this, but they look really rich and chewy and chocolatey. So they look really good. So let me see what they taste like. They're still pretty hot. The consistency is really good. The flavor is definitely chocolatey. There is a hint of like that artificial sweetener aftertaste to them. It's not bad, but it's not one of my favorite tastes. I like cooking with Swerve because you don't get that taste in there. So I don't know, I'm kind of split on these. They're not super great. They're not awful. So they might get you by in a pinch, but I think there's probably some better products on the market and I'm gonna hunt them down and let you know what they are. Is this one worth trying? Yeah, it's worth trying. But I think if you do your research, there's better products out there. So this one right here, sweetened with monk fruit, not my favorite. So that's just my honest opinion. So if you like these, let me know that you do and what your experience is with them. And if you have a favorite, drop that for me down in the comment so that I know which ones you like and which ones are the best. So hit like right now. If you didn't like this video, hit thumbs down. Just let me know what you thought about it. I just wanted to give these a try and I'm really glad I did. So I am though, however, gonna give these a thumbs down. I think there's better things out there. So I'm gonna keep looking and keep bringing it to you so that you don't have to spend the money and your keto budget can stay intact. So I'll be letting you know what's good and what's not. This, thumbs down. Thanks for watching, you guys.